Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Docs offline and fix LinkedIn export errors step by step clearly. To uninstall Google Docs offline, start by opening your device's settings. Navigate to the Apps or Applications section. Look for Google Docs in the list of installed applications. Tap on Google Docs to access the application details. Select the option to uninstall the application. Confirm your choice to proceed with the uninstallation. Once uninstallation is complete, check if any related files need to be removed. Next, let's address LinkedIn export errors. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Go to the Me icon at the top of the LinkedIn homepage. Select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Data Privacy section. Select Get a copy of your data. Choose the specific data you want to export. Click Request Archive to initiate the process. Wait for LinkedIn to prepare your export. You will receive an email once your data is ready for download. If errors occur during the export process, check your email for any notifications from LinkedIn. Ensure your LinkedIn account is in good standing and has no restrictions. Try exporting your data again if necessary. If issues persist, consider logging out and back into your account. You can also attempt to clear your browser's cache and cookies. If the problem still continues, use a different web browser or device. For further assistance, visit LinkedIn's Help Center for troubleshooting tips. Finally, be sure to keep your LinkedIn app updated to avoid future issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.